Hi, I'm Backyard Barb and welcome to the yard. Today I'm going to be installing some shade cloth. I'm going to do two slightly different styles that I like to do because of being on the cattle panel. It's a little bit easier to tie into the top. It's simple, it's easy to take down, and it's easy to put up, which is some of my requirements. So let's go. On this side, I use just the T-posts hammered into the ground and attached with a bungee cord to here. So the drawback to this is it's shorter, but since I'm short, this doesn't even touch my head. But I did want to have more height on this side, so I have a little bit more space with the zucchinis and walking through. But this is giving quite a bit of shade, which is really going to help with this coming 100-degree heat we've got coming. Hope you enjoyed this video. This is just one way of hanging shade cloth. I didn't want to have it up against the plants. I wanted to have it up a little ways away to keep some of the heat away. This is easy to put up and take down. I use cattle panels a lot. I have T-posts in my yard a lot, so it's something that is convenient for me, and this is what I chose to do instead of building a structure frame. If you have any questions or if you liked this video, you can give me a thumbs up, and we will see you next time.